With a market of 1.2 billion people and one of the largest free trade area in the world, the African continent has embarked on a new stage of its development that will be able to rely on its immense potential in human and natural resources. However, in this complex and ever-changing environment, African companies will have to adapt quickly to face the multiple challenges and issues that accompany this emerging trajectory made of uncertainties, risks, and opportunities. African companies will need to be able to rely on scientific and technical executives capable of understanding the complexity of systems and issues in their entirety. There is a real need for high-potential technical executives and middle managers in many sectors. Multidisciplinarity, transversality, and adaptability are the key skills to address effectively the complexity of the current and future challenges of African companies. To answer these needs, the Centrale-2iE and the École Centrale Casablanca, under the aegis of the Group Centrale, created the Centrale-2iE at African Bachelor of Engineering, a joint 4 years bachelor degree of the Centrale-2iE and the École Centrale Casablanca.
Les objectifs de Centrale Casablanca par rapport au Bachelor Centrale-2iE, c'est de construire un bachelor centralien qui regroupe l'ensemble des compétences de la formation centralienne. Donc, le nouveau diplôme va être une première africaine et nous en sommes extrêmement heureux avec les 3 partenaires qui travaillent depuis un certain temps. En l'occurrence 2iE, Centrale Casa, avec un très fort support du groupement des écoles centrales.
The International Institute for Water and Environmental Engineering, 2iE, is an international association, bringing together 16 African states. The Institute 2iE is recognized as a public utility by the government of Burkina Faso, and benefits from the privileged status of a diplomatic enclave, which facilitates the reception of students and teacher researchers from a wide variety of countries. 2iE trains senior technicians, engineer entrepreneurs and doctors in strategic sectors for the socio-economic development of Africa. 2iE's engineering degrees have been accredited since 2009 by the Centrale-2iE, labeled ERAS, and recognized by the COMES.
L'objectif principal de la mise en place de cette formation, c'est de mettre à la disposition des jeunes des lycées scientifiques brillants de l'Afrique de l'Ouest et de l'Afrique du Centre une formation de premier cycle de haut niveau répondant aux standards internationaux d'excellence académique. Cette formation unique en Afrique au sud du Sahara permettra aux jeunes d'avoir les clés pour devenir des leaders innovants, agiles, soucieux du développement durable et en phase avec les mutations socio-économiques du monde en général et de l'Afrique en particulier.
École Centrale Casablanca, say, is the result of a partnership between the French government and the Kingdom of Morocco signed in April 2013. This international partnership gives Centrale Casablanca the status of a public institution, supported by the Fondation École Centrale Casablanca. The school issues a diploma called Ingénieur Diplôme de l'École Centrale Casablanca, a Moroccan state diploma recognized by the French Commission de Titre d'Ingénieur, CTE. Its program is similar to that of Central Supélec, with a multidisciplinary scientific, technical, and human background. Centrale-2iE African Bachelor of Engineering graduates are operational engineers with an awareness of multidisciplinary, intercultural projects, and with an entrepreneurial spirit and middle management skills in an international context. The pedagogy implemented is an innovative pedagogy that relies on various actions that reflect the reality and complexity of the professional environment, applied right from the first year of the program. The program involves a truly proximity with partner companies and ensures the immediate operationality of graduates. The program is characterized by a marked and progressive Anglophony. 20% of the courses in the first year to 50% of the courses in the fourth year are taught in English. International mobility at Centrale Casablanca in semester 6. Internships and the international environment of the program ensure that graduates acquire a strong international culture. The training is based on a very broad scientific and technical foundation, that allows students to understand complex systems in many engineering fields. In the 4th year, a project lasting several months in the service of a company allows students to personalize their studies in various fields of industrial engineering, information and communication technologies, with the possibility of developing an entrepreneurial project. The curriculum is both scientifically demanding and professionalizing, increasingly personalized along the way, offering a multidisciplinary, adaptable and multi-skilled profile at the service of companies' performance and agility. Graduates of the bachelor's program may also continue their studies in the engineering cycle to obtain the Diplôme d'Ingénieur Centralien in Morocco or in France via a 2-year fast-track engineering program, or in specialized master's programs. Some students in the 3rd year of the bachelor's program may also enter the 1st year of the classical engineering program in the École Centrale through an entrance exam. At the heart of the development of engineering and innovation for the African continent since 1968 at the Centrale-2iE, in partnership with the École Centrale of Casablanca and the Groupe d'Écoles Centrale de France, world-class leader in engineering education, we develop your potential and give you the keys to invent the Africa of tomorrow.